are most important for any country to save and protect their country. I always will be doing hard work for my country, Pakistan. I always will help to poor people. Guys, I like most my Pakistani army and their uniform. I always will help to
protect
protect their
my country.